always kept my sneakers by the bedroom door. Had my exit strategy planned before. 5:30 alarm would pull me from your arms before the morning light could do me harm. Never let them see me with my makeup gone. Never let them catch me when the magic's done. Been running from the sunrise all my life. This daylight shows the truth behind the lies. Never stayed past sunrise, never wanted to. Always left them sleeping, that's what I would do. But you make coffee singing, and your dog knows my name. Now I'm fighting every instinct just to stay. Never stayed past sunrise till I met you. You don't try to hold me when I reach for clothes. Don't make me feel guilty when I need to go. Just smile and say I've got fresh coffee brewing and pancakes on the griddle if you're